What's up today? So let's do a complete multi-time frame analysis on US oil. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. As you can see, US oil on the lower time frame has given us a significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, let's look at the bigger picture to see the general direction in the market, and then we'll jump onto the lower time frame to see how we can trade US oil. Looking at first of all monthly to see overall picture in the market. So from the monthly perspective, we see that US oil historically bullish. As you can see, this is the monthly trend line that was respecting for quite a few months, and we have seen previous months the price has come back to this long-term trend line, tested this as a support, and created this long week doji. Now this month's what we have seen after the market open, before breaking this monthly high, the price has come back down again to the same zone, created a higher low, and then has gone up again. So this higher low creation is a sign that US oil's bull are active in the market, and as this market is long term historically bullish, we can expect now some strong bullish move from the monthly perspective to create a new higher high in this direction. So now let's look at weekly time frame to justify how we can trade US oil. Now from the weekly perspective, we see that this market is showing a very strong bullish market structure and price action. We see that there is a significant level of support here, and also there is a support here, and also there is a support here, back to back quite a few times the price has come back to the same level, has a rejection. Now we see that there is a double bottom formation, has broken to the upside with a weakless candle. From the weekly perspective, a bullish candle followed by a doji. This doji on the weekly has closed above this weekly resistance level, which is the sign that US oil is preparing for a shoot to the upside. Now this current quick weekly candle, which is closing today, is the last day of trading week. We have seen the price again come to this important level of resistance zone, turning support, tested multiple times. Now we see that long week candle is being created, sign that US oil is likely to continue to go to the upside. Now let's look at daily time frame to see how the price action is forming. Now from the daily perspective, we have seen this strong impulse on the daily followed by this correction and consolidation. Now again we see that there is an attempt to break this resistance. Again the price has come back here to grab liquidity, so that is the sign that the price basically accumulating position and liquidity for this move to the upside. Now at this point we see that basically this is the previous day's candle, which is significantly bullish. You can see there is a healthy body, and also there is a long week is the sign that this market is strongly bullish. Now today we see that there is a gap opening, and it's a big gap on the daily perspective, and it started to push up. What I think that at some point we might see that this market is coming down for a deeper retracement on the lower time frame, and we can find a strong bullish price action or a bullish trading opportunity, as this market looks like might explode to the upside from the higher time frame perspective and from the lower time frame perspective. Now if you look at 4 hour perspective on US oil, we see that there is a candle now is being formed. This current candle has grabbed liquidity from this doji, where there is a the previous two sessions, there is a narrow candle. The price came to that zone, grabbed liquidity. Now we see that the price is now pushing high. What I think that this price will continue to go up. As you can see, there is a strong flow from this zone, and there is a big move. The only thing that we need to look at, there is a gap opening in this zone on the daily perspective, and we will look for potential retest of this gap. Now in this at the same time, this is 4 hour time frame, and we see that there is a typical inverted head and shoulder, and the price has broken out, tested multiple times that head and shoulder. If we draw this neckline, we see that this is the neckline. There is one here, couple of zone here that has been retested. There is one here, this is the previous resistance turning support with this long doji. The price tested, there is another retest. Every time the price was creating series of higher low from this previous neckline, previous resistance zone turning support, series of higher low is the sign that US oil is preparing for a big jump to the upside. So this is the candle price action that we are currently looking for a suitable entry opportunity for a long trade on US oil with our students with a high probability trade setup. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also let us know in the comment section which way you are trading US oil. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.